This is the new iPhone 14 Pro, and today we would like to show how you can download and install the Google Chrome on it. So first of all, you need to launch the App Store. At the search bar, type in, Google Chrome or simply Chrome. Once the needed app is found, click on the download button and wait for the Google Chrome to get downloaded and installed respectively. Already, now you can simply launch it, accept and continue, decide whether you would like to activate the synchronization. Also choose whether you want to use Chrome as the default browsing app. And that will be pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.